students, welcome to today's math lesson. Before we jump into 4.6 and big ideas, I wanted to talk about place value briefly. So we have the number 9, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9. 9 will be in the ones place because it's less than 10. But what if I was to put a 1 in front of that 9 and make that number 19? Now, since this is greater than 10, this is the tens place. Okay? And then what if I was to do another 1? So we have 119. The blue is going to make that the hundreds place. So we have the hundreds in the blue, we have the red in the tens, and we have the green 9 as in the ones place. So we have the ones, tens, and hundreds, and those are the place values we are going to be focusing on for now. So we're going to do some activities. So what if I say, what's 9? Where does 9 go? 9 is going to be the ones place. Now what about the 8? It is the tens place. Okay. Clear. Now what if I say 112? Which spot is the hundreds place? It's going to be the one at first. It's going to be the one furthest to the left-hand side. It's going to be this one. Hundreds. Now, this one will be the tens place. And then that leaves 2 for the ones place. Okay. And if I was to say, what's number 4? Is the 4 in the ones, tens, or in 100s place? What would you say? Shout it out. Number 4 is going to be in the tens place since it's in the middle. Because if we were to take this 1 away, that 4 would still be in the tens place because it's less than 100. But since we have 1, it's going to be in the tens place still. And then for this one, the 1 is going to be in the 100s place. And then for the 6, it's going to be in the ones place. So any number less than 10 is going to be in the ones place. Any number higher than 10 but less than 100 is going to be in the tens place. And any number higher than 100 is going to be in the 100s place. So if there's 3-digit numbers, there's going to be a 100s place. If there's 2-digit numbers, this one closest to the left-hand side is going to be in the tens. And if there's just 1, it's going to be in the ones place. Like if the number's less than 10, it's going to be in the ones place. But we'll practice more place value later on. But now we're going to jump into 4.6 in big ideas. So we're working more with 10 number frames. Again, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 number frames. And I'm going to draw an extra one below. Okay, awesome. So if I was to say we're doing 9 plus 6, how would you guys solve it? We could put 9 on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we can add 6 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But how will we combine those together? So we have 9 on the top and then 6 down here. But we're trying to figure out how we combine those numbers together to try to figure out if we put 9 and 6 together, what do we get in total? So what if I was going to erase one of these dots and replace it here? So we would still have 6, right? So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 still. But now the good thing about this, since we combine them, we can count the total number of dots that our boxes have, so we can see what's the total number of dots that we have when we add 9 plus 6. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We will have 15. So 9 plus 6 will be 15. Okay. Now I'm gonna keep my tens frame, but I'm gonna erase the dots. Bye bye dots. Okay, I'm gonna fix my here and here. Okay. So we have a new number. We have 8 plus 6 equals what? So how will we use the 2 dots? So if we put 8 on the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we have 6 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 8 here and 6 down here. But we want to combine those together to see what's the total number when we add 8 plus 6 equals what. So since we're missing since we have 2 open boxes where the 8 is, we can add the green of the 6. So if we add 1, 2, and since we added 2, we take away 2. 1, 2. So let's count the total number of dots that we have now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay, awesome. So let's do another example where we have a missing add-in. So if we say 9 plus blank equals 17, we could add 2 10 frames down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have a total 2 tens frames, so that makes it a total of 20. So we're trying to figure out 9 plus something equals 17. So if we were to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we have 9, but we're trying to figure out how many more we have until we get 17. We could do 17 minus 9 to get our answer, but to show our work on this, we can count up until we hit 17. So let's practice. So on the red, we start from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have 17. So if we count the total of reds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8. So 9 plus 8 equals 17, and we can check our work if we want to, just to double check our work. So if we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's count the total of dots that we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have 17. So we did 2 ways to show that 9 plus 8 is 17, that to show that our work is correct. Okay, awesome. And so I'm going to send you guys some work from 4.6, but if you have any questions about the 10 frames or how to add 2 10 frames together, I'm happy to help you out during my office hours, but I'll catch you guys later.